Hello everyone, welcome to the 13th episode of Biology in a Nutshell. In the previous episode, we discussed the differences between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. In this episode, we'll be going over the anatomy of a eukaryotic cell. So let's get right in. So I really love eukaryotic cells. I think they're so cool. But just a quick disclaimer, what this eukaryotic cell is not the definitive type of eukaryotic cell for every type, I will also try to show each specific type of eukaryotic cell once we hit those chapters. Right now, I just want to show y'all the basic eukaryotic cell. So we will start with the peroxisome and move clockwise. So basically, the peroxisome specifically, it literally just digests fatty acids and fats in general, such as alcohol and toxic things as well. Next, we have our mitochondria, which is said to have evolved from a prokaryotic cell that decided to live in a mutualistic relationship with our eukaryotic cell. And this is the powerhouse of the cell, if you guys know, and it basically converts glucose into usable ATP as energy for the cell. Next, you see over here, it is the vacuole. It is just a storage system where it stores all water substances, and it usually just stores the waste mostly. But as you see here, this seems to be similar to an animal cell mostly because it's really small. But if you notice in plant cells, because of their high water content that they need, it will be a lot bigger. Next, we have our Golgi apparatus, and this basically transports and packages proteins. This right here is our nucleus. This consists of four main parts. The nuclear envelope is like the membrane that surrounds the nucleus to support and protect the DNA located inside, and the chromatin contains the DNA. And then the nucleoplasm is like the cytoplasm just for the nucleus, and it contains the nucleolus as well. And the chromatin is located inside the nucleolus, and the nucleolus has its own membrane and is located inside the nucleus. Next, we have our cell/plasma membrane. This is like the bilipid layer that is a semi-permeable membrane that only allows certain things to enter and exit the cell. It basically acts as the first-hand protector for the cell to make sure that intruders don't enter as easily. And then we have our ribosomes. These make proteins. Thank you so much, but this video is longer than I anticipated, so I will see you guys in the next part that covers the rest.